Right. These are the 12 conversions that we have to learn in this lesson. The decimal with other three, binary, octal, hexadecimal, and then binary with the other three, decimal, octal, decimal, as well as the octal with other three number systems, binary, decimal, hexadecimal, and hexadecimal with other three, that is binary, octal, and decimal. Right. Now, in this presentation, no any conversions has given, because just we have to learn them uh, in the class itself by doing the calculations. So I will explain everything in the screen by just writing. So no any note in the slides regarding conversions, right? So you have to write down when I'm explaining here. Maybe take a piece of paper, or you can do the conversions and the practical things in the tutorial. No need to take even papers. In the tutorial you can do the calculations, right? Okay. Right now first we will move on to the first conversion type. How to convert decimals into binary, right? And then octal, and then into hexadecimal. So under this particular category, the first conversion is decimal to binary, right? Let me take a full screen of this slide. Right. The first conversion type, decimal to binary. Okay. Decimal to binary. Now, let's take an example here. Say the decimal number 78, right? This is in decimal. You have to convert this one into binary. Can you remember how to do this one? Those who have done it in your levels.
So you should divide it by 2 and write the remainders side by it.
Very good.
Each
We have to divide the given number by 2, because we are going to convert it into binary. Binary means the base is 2, so you have to divide by 2. That is 39. Can you do it? 0, the remainder is 0. Again, divide by 2. How much is that? 19. 19, that is remainder is 1. Again, 9, remainder is 1. Divide by 2.
1.
Remainder is 1. Divide by 2. Remainder
0.
0. Divide by 2. 1.
0.
0. Or 1. You can go, if you like, you can go one step further, but it's better to stop from here, right? Until you have a number that is less than the divider. You are going to divide by 2 now. Now you are having a less value than this one. So you just stop from this point, and you have to take the values from this side into the upper like this. And how to write down the answer? 1 0 0 1 1 0, and you have to put the base properly, because the binary we have to mention the base. In the decimals we don't need to put 10 here, but in the binary you have to put the base, right? So I think it's clear for you. So let's move on to the tutorial. There are some calculations we have to do here. No need to write this down. We will do with the tutorial. The last time I explained up to this point. Okay? This graph we have to fill. Is that so? The MSD and LSD, did we complete that one last time? Now, page number 5 of the tutorial.
No, teacher, we didn't.
No. Right. Okay, we'll do this one. What is MSD? The most significant digit and the least significant digit. The last time we discussed some examples. Here we'll do this one. This is the number that is given in decimal, right? The high part in the decimal. So what is the MSD here?
1.
1. The most significant digit means the number that is having the most place value, the highest place value. And LSD here?
6.
6, teacher.
6. Yes, 6. Don't take it as 0. No value of 0 here. So you have to take the first non-zero digit, that is 6. Right. Next one, MSD?
4.
4.
4. LSD?
2.
Yeah, these 2. Yes. Next one,
3.
3.
9.
9.
Yes, don't take this 0. No value of that one even. Okay, next one,
4.
2.
4. 4, 2.
2.
Next,
5.
5.
5,
2.
2. Next,
1.
Hmm.
1.
1.
No. There you have to put this 0 because now if it's like this 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0, right? If you now normally what are the place values here? 2 to the power 0 1 2, sorry, 2 to the power, sorry, minus 1, 2 to the power minus 1. Yes, 2 to the power minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Yes, you can just omit this one. Yeah, sorry, you are correct. That is 1 and 1. Yes, we have to omit that 0. Yes, we can omit that 1. It's 1 and 1. Next one.
1.
1.
0.
0.
Yeah, they are 1 0, right? Because if you skip this one, totally the value will be altered. So you have to take a place value to this particular 0, right? That is 1 0. Right, then we'll move on to that part, decimal to the other 3 conversions. Right, can you do this one? Decimal to binary number given is 34. This is the decimal number. Just convert into binary in the way that I explained. One who have finished, let me know the answer.
It's 1 0 0 0 1 0.
1 0 0 0 1 0.
Not 1 triple 0.
0.
Ah. 1 triple 0 and 1 0. This one. Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. 17 0. Okay. Yes, 1 triple. You have to take this way. Right. Yes, correct. Don't put any spaces here. Right. Do the next one. 145.
Teacher, I've done, teacher.
Yeah. What is the answer?
1 0 0 1 triple 0 1 to the base 2.
Right. Let's do it. Yes, 1 0 0 1 triple 0 1. Yes, correct. Then you can do the rest, right? 87, 67 as homework, and now do this one 134. 134. So this time I want the answer from other, that means Shivani, Simpan, they are talking now. We'll ask from another, like let me name. Yeah. Tilini, can you let me know the answer once you're done, right? Maybe still you are doing. After you done, just let me know the answer of this one, Tilini. There may be some spaces in the printout, so you can do the rough works and some notes, that is the extra notes in that particular spaces. No need to write the notes in a book then. Anyway, this the settings has something wrong in this tutorial. Right. Did you do this one, Tilini?
Yes, teacher.
Right. What is the answer, Kuta?
100,111.
Is this one?
Yes.
Right. Let me solve it. The kind of line that I will do. The answer should be 1, 4 zeros, 1, and 0. Is there anybody who took this answer?
Yes, teacher, I
Yes,
got
teacher.
it.
I got.
Tilini, just double check your calculation. Maybe something missed. You have to divide until you are taking a less value to the 2. That means here 1 is less than 2. Now you have to stop from that point. Until that point, you have to divide. Right? Just can you check it out where you have gone wrong, Tilini? You have to start from this point up to the upper here. Is it okay, Tilini? Tilini, did you do the 87th one?
Yes.
Maybe. Right. I asked you to do this one. Okay. Right. Then finally we will do this one as well. The 78. Do this one. 78. Dilumi, can you tell me the answer once you did this one? Dilumi, right? So the rest I'm not going to do it in the class. The method now you know now, right? So complete the others. I will mark this 87, 67. Those just try it as homeworks. Dilumi, did you finish?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Can you tell me the answer for that one?
1 0 0 double
Hmm.
t double 1
Double one.
1
Hmm.
0.
Right. Let's see. Yes, correct. Right. So do the other two as homework, right? Let's move on to the other type of conversion, the decimal to octal. Right. This group is very easy. The decimal conversions. Next one, decimal to octal. Right. Again, we'll take an example, 84 as the decimal value, right? So you have to convert this one into octal. Octal means what is the base?
Teacher.
8.
8. Yes. So you have to divide the given decimal number by 8, right? So 8 is there 1, 0, and the remainder is 4. Again, divide by 8, that is 1, remainder is 2. So you have to stop once you took a value that is less than 8, that is now 1. We can't go further, and you have to put the answer as 1, 2, 4, and the base as 8. Right? Same procedure you have to follow, only the difference is you have to divide by 8, not by 2. Right? Okay, we'll move on to the tude. Decimal to octal. First do the first one, 34. Shashini, next let me know the answer for this one, right? Shashini. Those who have joined now, we are doing the number conversions. Still, we completed the first conversion type, that is decimal to binary. And now we are in decimal to octal, the second kind of conversion type, right? Decimal to octal. So we are in page number 7 of the tutorial. So you have to do this one now. Just convert this 34 into octal. Right, what you have to do is you have to just divide this by 8. As the octal, the base is 8, you have to divide the given decimal number by 8 and take the answer. Shashini, let me know the answer once you completed this one.
This is it 42.
42. 42. Yes, put the base as 8. Let's see. Yeah, that is the only division that we can do here. 4 is that is less than 8 now, so you have to stop there, right? 4, 2, and base is 8. Yes. Next one, 145. Let's ask from Sigiri. Sigiri, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Let me know the answer once you did this one. This 145 into octal, right? O level, those who have done these things in your O levels, just do all of this now. You can quickly do this now.
Uh, 221.
2, 2, 1. Let's see. එකයි හට පාටට හතරයි 1 yes, good. 2, 2, 1, the base is 8, correct. Next one, 87. Sehasa, are you there?
Yes, please.
Sehasa, next one you, right? 87.
One hundred and 27.
127. 8. Yes. 1, 2, 7. Yes. Next one, 134 will do, right? 134. I want the answer from Pumika. 134.
Two hundred and 6.
206. Whatever. Okay. 206. Yes. Correct. Right. The other two, the 67 and 78. Okay, we'll do this 78 as well. Zainab. Zainab. You have to tell me the answer for 78. This one. 116. I have to do. It is 9, 6. Yes, again you can divide by 8 now. Yes, 116, correct. 116. Right, let's move on to the third type of conversions, that is decimal to hexadecimal. Right? Decimal to hexadecimal. Let's take 347, right? Here what you have to do, the base of the hexadecimal is what? The base of the hexadecimal?
16, teacher.
16, yes. So you have to divide this by 16. That is 227 වලට 1 යනවා. 27, 16 කියන්නේ 11 නේ? 11. Is that correct? 27 වලට yes නේ? Again by 16, that is 1 and remainder is 5. Now the answer we got is 1, 5, 11, right? Can we put the answer like that? 1, 5, 11. Is there a value
No,
for
teacher.
11?
Yes, teacher.
Teacher, we should give B.
Yes.
We should write it as B, teacher.
Yeah, yeah. In the hexadecimal, you can remember the numbers are 0 to 9 only. And from 10 onwards, you are having capital A to capital F. So starting from A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D 13, E, A, B, C, D, E. 10. මොකද්ද මේ 11 12 13 F is 15 eh? Right, you have to take this way. So the 11 you can't put, you have to write down the relevant relevant character for 11. Relevant character is capital B, so you have to write 1 5 B, the base 16, right? If you have only the numbers that is less than 9 as the answer, you have to keep the numbers as it is. But if you have taken a number that is greater than 9 only, you have to substitute it with a kind of a character. Right, let's move into the unit. Page number 8. We'll do the 345. 345 කියලා දැන් කරේ නෑ. 345. I'm going to ask this from Nuha. Nuha, I'm expecting the answer from you, right? Nuha, is it okay? Check. 100, 159. 15916. එක 32 විසිපාඩ 16 වරක් 1යි 9යි 16ට 1යි 5යි. Yes, 159. Yes. Then 799 Abhishek, right? Abhishek 799. Mm, 1E77. Let's see. දාසවරක් 6යි නේ 10වරක් 6යි නේ 10වරක්. Yeah. නෑ 10වරක් 4යි නේ 4යි 64යි. ආයේ 159ට 10වරක් කීයද? 8ක් දීපුවත් වරක් 8යි. 10වරක් 9. ඔව් 9යි. x අපි ඉස්සරහ කියන්නේ 15යි නේ 15යි. ආයේ 10වරක් 3 48යි. ඉතින් 1යි. Is this the way that you got the answer? The
I got this answer. The one you got, teacher.
3, 1, 15. That means 15 you can't put. Yes. What is the value?
3 1 8 to the base 16.
Yes. 15 you can't put. Instead of 15, you have to take the relevant letter or the character. That is 31F. Abhishek, just check it out, your answer. Then Vinutni 980. Yes, Vinutmi, the answer I am expecting from you. Still doing Vinutmi?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Do it slowly. And Rahik, is this Hamazat? No. Rahik,
Yes, teacher.
Hamzad? No. Rahik.
No, teacher.
Okay. Rahik, did you do this one?
Give me 1 second.
Okay. Okay. It's a kind of larger number. Maybe you want more time. Only the whole numbers we discussed so far. The fraction numbers, that means the numbers with some decimal places, also we have to discuss. Next thing is that one, the conversion with the fractions. Still the whole numbers we considered. Out of Vinutmi or Rahik, let me know the answer for this one. Check again. Rahik. 30 D4. 30 D4. Then 30 D4. Let's see. Dasavarak Haya Noha. Isadasarak Ekaikin Hatarai. Dasavarak Hatarakan to my Hatari Satai. I take it. Isadakin Hatunai. That is this 3, 13 and 4? Is this the answer? Anybody who took this one? No?
I got
It's 3, 13 and 4, teacher. 3D4.
Yeah.
3D4 to the base 60.
Yes, yes. Check again. Yeah. Rahik. Okay. Yeah, Rahik has given the correct answer. 3D4. 3D4. Instead of 13, you have to put D. Right. The next two, you can do it later. Right. Then we move on to the fraction conversion part. Right. Still, we discussed only the whole number conversions now. Now we will see how the fractions are converted into the binary, octal, and hexadecimal. Right. That part you have not done in O level, I think. That is somewhat different, right? The way the procedure is a little bit different here, right? How to convert decimal fraction values into binary, then how to convert into octal and into hexadecimal. In the slide, I have given converting decimal fractions into binary, right? Let me take an example. Say 34.3125, right? This is the decimal number you have given, and you have to convert this one into binary, right? decimal fractions into binary. This is a number, right? Now, here the whole number part you can do, right? Separately take the whole number part and follow the normal procedure. Divide it by 2. That is how much? 17,081. බිඳුවයි දෙවරක් එක බිඳුවයි. එහෙම එන්නේ. එතන 100,010. Now this is for the whole number part, right? This is for the whole number part. Here we are discussing the newly connected people. I don't know what is the reason for late. Here we are discussing how to convert decimal fraction values. Right, that means the decimal numbers with some fraction parts, how to convert those into binary. Normally a whole number decimal, you have to divide by 2 in order to take the binary. But the fraction part, you have to do separately. හරිද? දැන් ආපු අය බලන්න 34 දෙකෙන් බෙදලා අපි හොයන්න පුළුවන් binary value එක. ඒක normal විදියට හොයනවා. ඒක ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවනේ. Then the fraction part. Right, I will take here the fraction part with 0.3125. Okay, here I have to multiply this fraction part by 2 as we are converting the fraction into binary. We have to take the fraction part and multiply by 2. Okay, what is the value?
0.625.
Yes, 0.6250, right? Again, only this take the fraction part and again multiply it by 2, right? That is the high 1.25, right? Once you multiply 0.625 by 2, that is 1.25. Again, what you have to do? Take only this fraction part, right? And multiply it by 2. Don't consider the whole number part. Right? Only the fraction thing you have to multiply by 2. That is how much? 0.5. You have to take this 0.5, the fraction part only, and multiply it by 2. That is now 1.000. Once you took this 0 answer here, you have to stop from that point. Further, you can't multiply because the fraction part has become 0 now. You have to stop from that point, and the answers you have to take this way. These are the answers, right? You have to write it down from up to bottom like this. So what is the value? 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 and the base is 2. Is that clear? Only the fraction part you have to continuously multiply by 2 until you take 0 here. But the thing here is, although the 3125 when we are multiplying by 2, we got the 0 answer. But in some cases you may never take zeros for the answer. In that case, you can follow some few steps like 3 or 4 steps, just multiply, and it seems that never it becomes 0. In that case, just stop, and you can put the steps of maybe 3 or 4 steps. හරිද? කවදාවත් 0 වෙන්නේ නැතිව තියෙනවානේ. දැන් මේක ගන්නට වැඩි වෙන එක. හරි? එහෙම වෙලාවට ඔයාලා එතනින් නවත්තන්න. යම් ටිකක් කළා එතනින් නවත්තලා ඒ ආන්සර්ස් ටික දාන්න. හරිද? Is that clear? The procedure.
Yes, teacher.
Right. Then we'll move on to the page number 9 of the tute. The first one, 0.3125. Just only a fraction part is there, no any decimal part, the whole number part. So just try to do this one. No whole number part means you can put the whole number part as 0 point and the rest, the fraction part only you have to do. multiplied by 2. Only this fraction part multiplied by 2. Higher. 0.6250. Once you got that answer, again that fraction part multiply by 2. That is 1.2500. Now what to do? Again, just omit the 1 here. Just omit the 1 and only the fraction thing. That is 25001 multiplied by 2. Don't consider 1 when you are multiplying. Now again this 0.5, the 5000, that one you have to multiply by 2. That is 1.0000. So you can stop that point. So the answer is 0. Because no any whole numbers, so you have to put the whole number part as 0.0101 and base is 2. Next do the second one, right? Do the second one as well. 10.3125. There are two parts. Whole number part you have to do separately, then the fraction part separately, and then finally you have to join the two parts.
Finish, teacher.
Right. So first I will do the whole number part. Did you take the whole number as 1010?
Yes, teacher.
Right.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then the fraction part, 0.3125. That part we have done in the previous case, or you can copy that answer, but it's better if you can do it again. The same way as the first one you can do, and you can take the answer as 0101. This is the final answer you have to take. Next one we'll do 56.625. Just do it.
So whenever we are taking the number after the decimal, I mean the 625, whether we should add 0.625 and start multiplying by 2.
Yeah, that is easy because it's easy for me. Maybe not for you. I just take it as 0.625. And
Okay.
if you like, you can just omit 0 and you can work with 0.625 even,
Okay, teacher.
right? Okay. But definitely you have to omit that one, right?
Okay.
In the answer, we are not taking that 0.
It's because I asked us, this is convenient
Yeah.
for me, teacher. The
Yeah,
one.
don't take the first 0. අපි දැන් මෙහෙම ගත්තට 0 points දැන් මේ මෙතන බලන්නකෝ here. මෙතන 0.3125. Although we have taken like 0 point here, to the answer you are not going to take that 0. From
Okay.
the next, the second 0 onwards, you have to take into the answer.
Okay,
If
teacher.
it's confusing for you, just omit the first 0 even. Just take it as 0.625.
After completely dividing, we should not consider the first 0 and we
Yes.
should start taking from the next 0.
Yes, yes.
Okay, teacher.
Teacher, which one do we have to do next?
This one, 56 points. Did you do this one? No.
Yes, teacher.
Not teacher.
Yeah, you have to do this one. Then
Okay,
the others who have done, just continuous from the next point onwards, you can do it. The others do this one.
Okay, teacher.
The O level වලට කරලා තියෙන අය එහෙම ටක් ගාලා කරනවා ඇති උනාට අනිත් අයත් එක්ක අපි යන්න ඕනේනේ. But for the O level people, they don't have this fraction conversions, right? Only the whole number conversions they had in the O levels. The fraction part is here with A level. Rahik has given the answer, ne? 111, 000, 101. Yes. අහිගේ answer එක හරි. Whole number part එකට බලමු අපි අනිත් එකට. Yes, Rahik, you are correct. If you have any doubts regarding these conversions, let me give the opportunity to explain, right? That means just disturb me and ask whenever you have a doubt. Right? ඕන වෙලාවක disturb කරලා මැදින් අහන්න. පස්සේ අහන්න එහෙම ඉන්න එපා. Ah, 3125 also has done by Sehasa. We'll check.
Excuse me, teacher. If 31 is divided by 2, we get 15 and the remainder is 1, no, teacher.
Yeah. මෙතනනේ. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. එතකොට එන්නේ 5 ones ද?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, good. Uh, 0.25 have to multiply by 2. So only the fraction thing. That is 0.50. Again multiply by 2. That is 1.00. That one also properly multiplying up to 0. So you can take 0, 1 only. You say chat එකේ බලමු. Zainab චුට්ටක් 45 45 උත් කළා. කට්ටිය කරගෙන යනවා ටක් කාලනේ. හරි. Right, the answer correct. Gave in the chat. Next one 45.5. Yes, Dilumi, okay, correct. Sanura, did you take this answer? 45.5?
Yes, teacher.
Right. Last one, okay. Rahik. Let's move on to the last one. Some have finished that one even. So the 0.34, that is properly not multiplying until 0. So you have to stop from middle, right? Like this 0.68. Again multiplied by 2 means 1.36. I only 36 part you have to multiply by 2. That is 0.72. That's enough, right? We'll take only 3 steps, or if you wish, you can continue, but only 3 steps is also enough. Right? It will never become 0. The fraction part never becomes 0. So in that case, just stop from some middle points here. So take the answer 0, 1, 0. Rahik, yes, 0, 1, 0. Yes.
Teacher, when multiplying teacher 0.34 into 2, we get 0.68.
Yes.
So without considering the 0, we should only multiply 68 into 2.
Yes. Yes. Just on whenever, although you are having whole number part here or not, only you have to consider the fraction part.
Okay, teacher.
Right. Hope you all have taken this answer as well. So if any place is missing, just you can refer from the video, right? Right. Now that is regarding how to convert decimal fractions into binary. Now we'll consider how to convert decimal fractions into octal, right? Same procedure, only what we have to do here is you have to multiply by 8. Now in here we multiply by 2 now. In octal conversion, just multiply by 8 the same way, right? අපි මේකම කරමු ටියුට් එකේම කරමු. Page number 10. First one, we'll do this one first. හරි. මාත් එක්ක මේක කරමු. 0.3125. No whole number part there. So just take it as it is and multiply by 8. How much is that? 3125 multiplied by 8. 2.5000. Okay. Again, take only this fraction part and multiply by 8. Again, 0, 0, 0, මෙතන 4 එනවා. Right? Now the fraction is 0 නේ. So you have to stop there and take the answer as 2 and 4 to this side. Okay. No whole number part, so put 0 there. And what about the fraction part? That is 2, 4 and the base is as 8. Right? So do the next one, 10.3125.
teacher.
What's the answer, Sirfan?
12.24 to the power 8. To the base 8.
20.
Not teacher. 12.24.
Yes, the 3125 in the previous calculation, we have taken the fraction as 0.24. So no need to do it again. You have to do it in your calculation, but I'm not going to do. The 10, you have to the divide by 8, that is 1, remainder is 2. So that is 1, 2, and that the 0, 3125 multiplication, you have to do this way. Hari first එකේ විදිහට අර 3125 convert කරලා ගන්න කොහොමද 2.25 නේ. හරි. ඊළඟ එකත් කරන්න බෑ. Next one, 56.625.
So I got 70.50 to the base 8.
70.50. Let's check. 56. You have to divide by 8 in order to convert into the octal. The whole number part you have to do separately. That is 7 and 0. Yes, correct. And then 0.625, that fraction part you have to take separately and multiply by 8. Then make it samara multiply by 2. They are going to multiply this by 2, right? Don't do that one. Again, multiply by 8 means වැරදිද 4යි වැරදිනානේ 4යි 50යිනේ නෑ 8ක් 40යි 4යි දෙවරකට 10 20යි ඉතුරු 2යි අවරක් 42යි 50යි ඉතුරු 5යි So you have to take only 5 here. Yes. 5 0 or just 5 is also enough. Right? Or fine. That also correct, right? Because the last zeros we can omit. This one also enough. Let's check the answers. Yes. Yeah. Correct, Dulvi. Next one, 31.25.
37.20 to the base 8, teacher. I got it.
7 point.
37.20 to the base 8.
20. Or 37.2. Or just 20 is also. 31 divided by 8. අටවරක් 4ක් යන්නේ අටවරක් 24යි ඉතුරු 7ක්. Yes, 37. Now the fraction part, multiply by 8. So only 2 here. Yes. Here 37 and here only 2. So 37.2. Now let me check it here. Yes, 37.2. So now. Next one, 45.5.
I got 55.4 to the power 8, to the base 8.
I also got the same.
Who is this? Same. Sanura, yeah. Sanura has taken, Rahik has taken, the Sinquan has taken, Shivani has taken, right. අටවරක් 6ක් යන්නේ අටවරක් 5 40යි ඉතුරු 5යි. 0.5 into 8 5 ඉතුරු 4යි. එතකොට this 4 only, that is 5.4. Okay. Yes. Last one කරමු.
So I got 40.25 to the base 8.
Yes, teacher, same answer.
45.
40.25 to the base 8.
2 has taken. Are there anybody who have taken the same answer?
Yes, teacher, same answer.
Same. Yes, that is 40.34 into 8. We can't take the exact answer as 0, so you have to stop from the middle point. Then 0.72 part only multiplied by 8, that is 25. Just 25 you can take. So the answer is 40.25. Yes. That is decimal fractions into octal. The next one is decimal fractions into hexadecimal. Again, the same way. You have to multiply by 16 there, right? Is it okay, Pyumika? With me, okay?
Okay.
Right. Shall we move on to the next part?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Decimal fractions to hexadecimal. We will do it in the tutorial itself. Page number 11, first one, 0.3125. So no whole number part again. Only this 3125 you have to multiply by 16. Let's see. Is that 5.000? Yes. From the first step, we are taking 5.000. That means from the first step, we can take the fraction as 0. So you can stop by that point. And so the only answer here is 5. Right? No whole number part, just 0 and 5 only. Basis.
I got this, teacher.
Got it. Okay. Do the next one. 10.3125. 8.5.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, 10 means A. 10, although we are dividing this by 16 or not, just you can directly take that one. That is 0 and remainder is 10 now. So 0, 10 means that is just you can omit 0. 10 means A. 0, A, 0.5. Because I'm not going to do it again. The 3125 has taken in the first calculation. So you can just take 0.5 from there. So the answer is 8.5. Yes. Next one, 56.625.
38.1 to the base 16. teacher.
38.1.
To the base 16. I got this, teacher.
Yes. අපි චුට්ටක් වෙලාව දෙමු අනිත් අයටත් හදන්න. So those who can, you can continue, right? Yes, 38.A. Valamu. Zainab has taken as 38.A. We'll see. 38 is correct. What about 625? මෙතන වැඩි කරන්න. ඉරකඩ පාලම් 535 ඉස්සපයි 5 2 6යි. 10.000. That is 10.000. Right. So you have to take as 10 here, right? Because now from the first point even, you took the fraction as 0, right? You can stop from that point. Just take 10. So 10 means what? Yes, A. 10 means A, right? Sign up, yes, correct. Metana Shivani,
Yes, teacher.
yes, you have to take A here.
Okay, teacher.
Right. Next one, 31.25. Hmm, 31. 1F 0.4 has taken by Sihasa. 1F 0.4.
Yes, teacher, I got the same.
Then what?
1F.4 teacher.
Others also try to take this answer. Yes, I will do. Two D.8, that is for what, Rahik? 45.5.
45.5, I got 2D.8.
Yeah, Rahik also has taken. Sainab has also taken. Right. That is 2D.8. මම මෙතන උත්තර ටික දාන්න. ඉතින් අනිත් අයට ගන්න කියලානේ. Yes, 115 means 1F. Again, 2D, yes. 0.5 into 16 means that is 8.0. Just take 8 from there. Yes. Anybody who have done the last one?
Yes, teacher.
That is the answer.
2.5 to the base 16, teacher.
2.5.
Yes, teacher.
So here 3, 4 multiplied by 16. We'll see 3, 4, 16 can have a 44 ඉතිරි 2යි හරද නඩද 20යි 4යි 3යි 4යි 4යි 5යි. يعني 5.44යි. 5.44, right? Yes. Sorry. මෙතන කොහෙද යන්නේ? Here 5.44. And if you need, you can just follow further one more step. 0.44. Again, you can multiply by 16. Then මෙතන කරේ 3, 4 multiply by 16 and you took this answer. Then only the fraction thing, that is 0.44 part, you can multiply by 16 and take one more step if you wish. 6.44 ඉතිරි 2යි 6.6යි 2යි 4යි 4යි 7යි. එතන 7.04 කියලා. Right, that's enough, no? Just 2 is enough. So you can take 5 and 7 as well. Hari? 5, 7 into 16. Sehasa, did you understand the last one? Okay, is that
Yes, teacher.
right? Right, 0, it's never become 0, so you can just stop from maybe 2 or 3 steps, it's enough. Right, that now 2 groups has okay, not the 2 groups. One group is totally okay, that is the decimal conversion part. Now okay, we did how to convert whole decimal numbers into other 3, and how to convert decimal fractions into other 3. And next group we will see The next is binary conversion, right? How to convert binary into decimal, then binary into octal, and binary into hexadecimal, right? First, we'll see how to convert binary into decimal. Binary into decimal. Let's take an example. 10101, right? This is the given binary number. You have to convert it into decimal. What you have to do is just expand the number this way. It's easy. Just expand it, right? And write down the place values starting from 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. And just simplify. What is 2 to the power 0? That is
1.
1. 1 into this one. And again 2 to the power 1 is
2.
2. 2 into this 0. 2 to the power 2?
4.
4 into this one. 2 to the power 3?
8.
8 into this 0. 2 to the power 4?
16.
16 into this one. So we'll simplify that one, and you have to add together 0, 1. This side is equal, that is 21. Don't put the base, right? Because it is decimal. And if you have some fractions like this, what to do? Again, the same procedure, right? Zeros here, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and the negative place values you have to write this manner, right? Write down the negative place values as well. And then you have to simplify and calculate the summation. හරිද? මේක කිසිම වෙනසක් නැහැ. Binary decimal, binary octal, binary hexadecimal. In here, the same procedure. All the place values even, we have to write down the place values. The fraction part place values, you have to take as the negative ones. The 2 to the power minus 1 and so on. Not like the decimal one. කලින් වගේ නෙමෙයි මේකේ. Direct පාර මේ විදිහටමයි ගන්න. හරිද? So we'll move on to the tut. Page number 12. Binary to decimal. First one. Right.
206 to the base 10.
206.
Yes, teacher.
Let's see. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. Starting from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now the 0 things I am not going to calculate because no need to consume our time in order to calculate zeros. Just omit zeros, right? Now 2 to the power 0 කියන එක කොහොමද 0 වෙන්නේ? Although you multiply this by 0, the answer is 0. So I'm just taking it as 0, right? Don't confuse, but that is 2 to the power 0 is 1. No? 1 into 0 means just 0. I will just take it as 0. Okay. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 here. Metana, how much? After simplifying this one, 4 here. Is it lagging, my connection? Can't you hear me?
Can, teacher. 2 to the power 3 is 8.
8. And others I will take as zeros, okay? And 2 to the power 6 is how much?
64, teacher.
64.
Oh, next one,
128, teacher.
128. 8 4 12යි 8යි 24යි 22 24 26යි ඉතිරි 2යි 2 2 4යි 10යි. ඔව් 206 එනවා. Right, don't calculate the middle zeros and the zeros, just take as zeros. Next one, do the next one, and I want the answer from Tilini again, right? Right, this time I want the answer from Tilini. Tilini, are you doing this one? Sanura has sent me the answer. Nuha, what about the answer?
Teacher, 163.
164. Different answers. Then we'll ask from
63.
63. Shashini, what is the answer you two? Zainab has taken 173.
Teacher, I got 173.
173 has majority. We will see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into this one, that is 1. තාලෙ මෙහෙම ගන්න, right? මුලින් පුරුදු වෙන එහෙම කරන්නකෝ. මෙතන 0. Because I don't have enough space in this. That is why I just take it simply. 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. මෙතන 0. Here 4. Here 8. Here 0. 32. 0. 128. 8යි 2යි 10යි 10ට 18යි 18යි 4යි 22යි 23යි ඉතිරි 2යි 2යි 5යි 5යි 3යි 8යි 8යි 2යි 10යි 10යි 8යි 18යි 4යි 22යි 23යි ඉතිරි 2ක් නේ 2 2 4යි 3යි 7යි ඔව් හරි 173. Right, once you multiply, please check the others. Have you taken these answers? The last one, 128, 0, and these are the answers. You have to sum up all the things. Next, with some fraction points. I want the answer from Sanura. හදලා කියන්න. හදලා පස්සේ කියන්න. අභිෂේක්. Let's see, Zainab. One answer I have received. Another answer, Sanura. Sanura has taken the answer 85.75. Zainab is 43.75. We'll see. Here that is 1 plus here 2 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 32. That is the whole number part. And 2 to the power minus is how much? I told you how to do this one last time. 1 over, yes?
0.5.
Yeah, so 0.5. Next one?
0.25.
Yes, 2.12 mean 2 to the power minus 2 means 1 over 4, that is 0.25. And next one you have to take 0. So this place, that is 75 ne? 0.75 na මේ ටිකෙන් මෙතනින් එනවා 8 2 10 2 12 13 ඉතිරි 1 එතනට 4යි 43.75.
Teacher.
සනුරට එක ප්ලේස් එකක් වැඩි වෙලා තියෙනවා.
Yes, I had a mistake, teacher.
Yeah. හරිනේ. Next one I need from Vinutmi. 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. Rahik has given the answer. Vinutmi also has given the answer. Rahik has given us 83.625. Vinutmi 85.875. Some differences are there in the two answers. Let's see. Then now 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 16 plus 0 plus 64. Then 4යි 6යි 10යි 2 ඉතිරි 1 7යි 83 එනවා. Point මේක ටික එනවා 0.5 plus 0 plus 0.125 නේ.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, that is 625 ne?
0.62.
Yeah.
83.625.
83.625.
Got this answer, teacher.
Right. Some other answers are there. Simpan has taken, Sanura has taken. Vinut mite chuttak paradila තියෙනවා බලන්න කොහෙද කියලා. Just check the place values again. Next answer, next one, I want the answer from Shivani is talking. Sehasa, right? The last time I had the problem with my laptop now. The thing was my hard disk has crashed. Little by little it has crashed away. In this machine I have had only a hard disk, not a SSD. So then I took it into the repairing center and I had to replace my hard disk totally. So all the data that I had missed in the laptop. Luckily, I have uploaded all things into my drive because I'm having the Google Classrooms now for each of my classes. So I just taken all the files from there. Anything that is not everything is missing with my laptop. Good lesson for you all even. So please do frequent backup of your data, right? Otherwise you may lose everything suddenly. හිතුවේ නැති වෙලාවක ඔක්කොම data ටික යනවා, right? I had to replace hard disk, and in order to speed up the laptop I again fixed a SSD as well. Now it's a little bit faster than previous. SSD එකක් ගැහුවම හරිම fast computer එක. Normal hard disk එකක් වගේ නෙමෙයි, right? Now you know what are the differences in between hard disk and SSD. Is that so? HDD and SSD. Right. I'm taking. I'm receiving so many answers. 231.75.
Yes,
Yeah,
teacher.
yeah. All of you have taken that answer.
Yes, teacher.
231, yes. 231.75. එහෙනම් එක හරියටනේ 235.71 නේ. 231.75. Others just try to take these answers. Next one. ඊළඟ එකත් කරන්න බලන්න.
Teacher, I got 39.5.
39.5.
Yes, teacher.
Anybody who have taken the answer? Yeah, 39.5 has taken by some other people as well. Right. $49.5 one.
This is a mistake. I got 39.
39 eh? 39 point. Then we will move on to the next conversion type, that is binary to decimal, binary to octal. Binary to octal one, right? Right. I will explain it in a slide. Binary to octal. Let's see an example. Say this is the binary number given, right? 11011. So there's a shortcut to do this one, okay? Normally, the normal way is you can convert this binary number into decimal first. The normal vidya tamai binary you can convert into decimal. You know how to convert binary into decimal now, right? And that decimal number you can convert into octal. That conversion also you know now, right? So you can do this normally in 2 steps, binary to decimal first, then decimal to octal. But there's a shortcut because most of the time you may get this kind of things into your MCQs now. In that case, you have to do that calculation within 2 minutes, right? So you can follow this shortcut. The shortcut is, right? The shortcut is like this. Now binary means the base is 2, right? Octal means the base is 8. Now if you find any relationship in between this 2 and 8, we can say 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Is that so? 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Yes. So we are taking this 3, the power 3 here, right? And using that power, we are dividing this total, the entire thing, 3 by 3. That means we are going to divide this whole number into parts of 3, right? 1, 2, 3. You can divide it by here and here 1, 2. From this side. That means from the right side. Okay. Then you have to write the place values for each like this. Right now, as this is a binary number, you have to write down the place values in binary number. Again, the second part, starting from 2 to the power 0, again you have to write down that place values. Right? Then just do the simplification. Here 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into here, this one is 1. Plus 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 into this one is 2. This is 0. Again 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into this one is 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 into this one is 2. Right? Then separately you have to add those parts. This is 3. This one also 3. So the final answer is 3, 3. The base is 8. Right? So we'll just check this answer now because we did this thing in a shortcut now, right? First, we'll do this even in the proper way. Binary decimal කරලා ඊට පස්සේ අපි octal කරලා මම එක සැරයක් පෙන්නන්නම් ඒ answer එක මේනවා කියලා. හරි? ඊට පස්සේ අපි shortcut එකකින් කරගෙන යමු. Right. හරි? normal ක්‍රමයට කරන්න නම් binary ඉස්සෙල්ලම decimal කරන්න. Right? We'll do the binary into decimal. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Write in place values and add. That is 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 8 plus 16. That's 27. Now this is in decimal, right? Now that decimal we have to convert into octal. Right? This is in decimal. That is convert into octal. How to convert decimal into octal?
Divided by 8, teacher.
Yes, you are divided by 8. That is 33. Right? Same answer you can take. Okay. So you can follow this shortcut for the further calculations now, right? We'll move on to the tut. Binary into octal. In here, just write down the relationship because binary means base 2, octal base 8, right? So 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8, and just take this relationship because Otherwise, you will see how this number has divided into parts of threes, because the reason is this one, right? In between these bases, there's a relationship, right? Using that relationship, we are going to use here. 1 1 0 0 3 1 0, right? It's like expand kar liya gani. You just expanded the number and then divide it by parts of 3 this way. Then write down the place values and then let me know the answer. One answer received. 2 answers.
316 to the power base 8.
Yes, yes.
I
Yeah.
got the same thing.
Yeah, most of them have taken. 316 has taken. බලමු. 2.2 2 2 මෙතන 0 2 plus 4. Here 1 plus 0 plus 0. Here 1 plus 2. This one is 3. This one is 1. This one is 6. Yes, 316. Right. Do the next one.
255 to the base 8. Teacher.
255.
Yes, teacher.
I got it, teacher.
Right. 2 people have taken that answer.
Teacher, I got 53.1 to the base 8.
Which one? Third one, the
Yes, teacher.
50.
53.1 to the base 8.
Let's check. 53.4 has taken some. So enough, we check. So those who can just continue the calculations, right? Don't wait, you can continue. Others, slowly you can do it. Later you can speed up your calculation, but for now, just do it slowly. Point 1. මෙන්න මෙතන චුට්ටක් බලන්න, right? Here, you are having some fraction parts as well. හරිද? So, when you are doing this kind of thing, right? You have to take the fraction part as groups of threes. That means as you are having only one part here, you have to add 2 more zeros to the end in order to make it as a group of 3, right? Keep in mind that thing. That is a new thing now. මෙන්න මෙතන just add 2 zeros to the end. හරි? After adding that 2 zeros, just divide it this way. Okay. Then starting from 2 to the power 0, you have to write down the place values for the fraction part and then for the whole number part this way. එතන චුට්ටක් වෙනස්.
Teacher, I have a doubt, teacher.
Yeah.
Teacher, whether we should not add the 2 zeros in front of 1, teacher.
Yes, but or if you omit these 2 zeros, you may take this place value as 2 to the power 0, no? In
Yes,
that case,
teacher.
shortly it will alter the one. We will just do the other method and see whether the final answer is okay or not. Okay. Now this is a shortcut now. අපි
Okay.
බලමු අර දිග ක්‍රමයෙන්ුත් කරලා මේක එනවද කියලා. එතකොට හරියනේ හරි. ඉතින් doubt එක හරියනේ නේ.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. ඉතින් අපි මේ ක්‍රමයෙන් කරමු. Right here, the answer is 1 plus 0 plus 4. Here 0 plus 2 plus 1. Point එකක් එනවා මෙතන. 4 plus 0 plus 0. That means here 4 point. This one is 3. Here 5. 53.4 should be the answer. Let's see. Let's check from the other method. අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලා බලමු මේක ඉස්සෙල්ලා කරමු මොනවාද decimal 0.1 එතකොට 2.2 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 ඍණ 1 නේ 32යි 0යි 8යි 0යි 2යි 1යි එතන 0.5යි එතනවා 31ට 40 43යි නේ 43.5යි නේ 31ට 43.5යි decimal වලින් එන්නේ හරිද now the 43.5 is in decimal how to convert decimal into octal you have to divide the 43 by 8 that is 53 part එක හරියට no problem then 0.5 multiplied by 8 that is 4 okay we have to take 4 here is that clear Shivani okay
Yes, teacher.
right so just take this way right එහෙම doubts තියෙන්න පුළුවන් it's fair then you can learn හරි එහෙම හිතුවම තමයි ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන් මතකයි එතකොට right එතකොට අනේක එතන මතක තියාගන්න චුට්ටක් if you have less number of digits here you have to add until it's coming up to 3 අපි හිතමු මෙතන දෙකක් තිබ්බ කියලා 1 1 තිබ්බනම් තව 0 එකක් add කරගන්න හරි next one
So I got 123.5 to the base 8.
123.5 Rahik also has taken that one yes. One zero one zero zero one one five 101. එතකොට මෙතනින් අපිට ගානට බෙදන්න පුළුවන්. Right? It's properly dividing by 3 because only 3 digits are there. Yes, here 5. Then 9. Then 1. Yes, 123.5.
Teacher, I have one more doubt, teacher.
Yes.
When dividing the like clusters of 3, teacher, whether we should start from right to left and divide as clusters of 3, teacher.
When we are dividing into the clusters, yes.
Whether we should start from right and go towards left and divide 3 by 3.
Yes, yes. Start
Okay.
it from right to left. Anybody who have taken the answer for this one?
Yes, teacher, I got 347.74 to the base 8.
74. Let's check others. 34771 has taken Zainab.
Yes, I got the same.
74.
Yeah.
Right. 74 Arantina Godakaya. 00111.1111. Here again you have to add 2 more zeros to the right side. මෙතන දෙකක් add කරගන්න ඕනේ zeros. මොකද එතන දෙකයිනේ තියෙන්නේ. When you are grouping, just you have to cluster or group 3 by 3. So if you are having one isolated one here, you have to add 2 more zeros to the right side. And this thing, okay. Then එතකොට එනවා දෙකකින් දෙක 4යි, මෙතන 7යි, මෙතන 7යි, දෙකකින් දෙක, මෙතන 4යි, මෙතන 3යි. Oh. I just took it directly, but you can simplify and take the answer, right? Next one, 43.5.
I got 47.4 to the base 8.
47.4. Sinfan. What is the answer for the last one, Sinfan? I did. Okay. 1001110. So there also we have to add separate extra 0 here. That is now to the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2. එහෙම ගන්න. එතකොට 4 එනවා මෙතන. එතන 7 එනවා. ඉතින් දෙක 4 එනවා. 47.4. Right. Next part. Now this is binary to octal. Later binary to hexadecimal, right? Same procedure you have to follow there. Hariද? Binary to the hexadecimal one. Same procedure. There you have to divide 4 by 4. Because the thing here is binary means the base is 2. Hexadecimal means base is 16. What is the relation in between 2 and 16? 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So just take 4 here, right? Using that relationship, we have to divide the given number 4 by 4, right? Let's see the first one. 1110. 4 by 4, just divide, and same procedure. Write down the place values for each. And just add. Do you have any power cuts this time? බලමු answers. Power cut the. CE is the answers. That's all.
Yes, teacher, I got it, teacher.
CE, ne?
Teacher.
Yes. You are taking 12 and 14. So you can't put 12, 14, that kind of numbers in hexadecimal. You can have up to 9, 0 to 9 as numbers. From 10 onwards, you have to put A, B, C, and so on. So when you are calculating from starting from A as 10, the B is 11, and so on. So the C is the relevant letter here. Here, E, ne? E. There is CE 16. The answer is CE. The base is 16. Next one. Now, AD.
For the second one, I got AD to the base 16.
AD.
AD to the base 16, teacher.
Yeah. Sandra and Simpan also has taken. Zainab has taken AD. එතකයි මෙතන 10. දෙකකින් දෙකයි 8යි 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 දෙකයි 10යි. එතන 1යි 1යි 4යි 5යි 5ට 13යි. AD. Next one.
Teacher, I got 2B point C to the base 16.
Is that B or D?
B, teacher.
B point D.
C.
E.
C, teacher.
C, teacher.
C. 2B point C has taken by some others. Let's say 0, 1, 0, 1, 1.11. So here you have to add 2 more zeros into the front. To the left side, no need to add two zeros. Although you add or not, that's okay. No, nothing change here. With මේ පැත්තට add කරගත්තත් කමක් නැහැ නැත්නම් කමක් නැහැ zeros. In order to make it as a cluster of 4, no need to add 2 zeros. But for this side, it's essential to add 2 zeros. දෙකේ දෙකේ 3. ඒ කියන්නේ 8යි 4යි 12යි. දෙකේ බිඳුව කියන්නේ දෙකේ බිඳුව දෙකේ 1 දෙකේ 2 දෙකේ 3. එතන 8යි 2 10යි 11යි. දෙකේ බිඳුව දෙකේ කියන්නේ මෙතනට එනවා 2ක්. ඔව්. So 2B is 11, C means 12 means C. Yes. 2B point C. Next. තව එකක් අපි කරලා ඊළඟට අපි ඊළඟ පාර්ට් එකට යනවා. ඉතුරු ටික ඔයගලන්ට you can do it as homeworks, the last two, and we'll do this one only. And we will move on to the next calculation type. 5.3.8 has taken.
Got the same, teacher.
Okay. Sanura, so. I think most of you have experienced power cut now. Ogala disconnected on. I connected 101. Luckily, as I am living near to the hospital, I don't have power cuts. P7.F. Next one. Divide this way. The bindu dekhe dekhe 8යි 2යි 10යි. dekhe bindu dekhe 2 කියන්නේ මෙතන 3යි. මෙතන 5යි. Oh, 53.8.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Right. E7.f කියන්නේ අනිත් එකට නේ සේනම්. E7.f has taken, I think, to the next one.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Someone has done that one. You can others. Okay. You can do it as homeworks. This last two, right? Now you know the procedure. Okay. Let's move on to the next kind of calculation. Octal into the other three. Now we are in this group. The calculations are very easy here. Only the thing is you have to keep in mind the methods, right? How to just when you see the question, you have to remember how to do this one, right? Then ekin එක මේක individual wise it's very easy for you all, but when you are having a kind of question, then just a little bit confused how to do this one, because with the practice you can easily do the calculations here, right? Only thing is you have to keep in mind the separate methods. Right, now the first two types of conversions over. The third kind of one, octal, how to convert into binary, then into decimal, and then into hexadecimal, right? So we will first move on to octal to binary one. Octal to binary one. I will explain here. Octal to binary. Again, that relationship we need here. The octal කියන්නේ it's base 8, binary means base 2, 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8, right? So again, we take that relationship 3. And let's take an example, say 5, 3. This is in octal, right? You have to convert this one into binary. So just expand the number this way and separate by a line, okay? Now what you have to do, you have to keep each of these numbers as a 3-bit binary number, 3-bit number. Each of this digit you have to keep, or you have to write as a 3-bit binary number. Now how to convert 3 into binary? That means just now consider this 3 as a decimal number. Right? Then mommy, I'm going to give you a shortcut to do this calculation. The long way, or the proper method is, you can convert octal into decimal first. You know that conversion. Then that decimal number you can convert into binary. There you have to go through three steps. But here just one step, right? Just consider each of these separate digits as decimal. Then අපි මේක octal නේ. But when you are doing this shortcut, only just consider each of these digits as decimal, right? And convert this 3 into binary. How to convert 3 into binary? 3 divided by 2. That is 1 and 1. හරිද? 1 1 නේ. The 3 is 1 1. But you have to keep the answer in 3 bits here because of the relationship 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So how to put 1 1 in 3 bits? You have to add 1 0 into the front of the number. That 0 you have to add to the front of this number. Don't add that 0 into the end. If you add that 0 to the end, totally the value will be changed. Because once you converted again back into the decimal, you should take back the previous answer. That is 2 plus 1 is 3, no? හරි එහෙම හදලා ගන්නකොට ආමහොත් 3 end ඕනේ. Right? So okay. Right. Then 5 again into binary. How to convert 5 into binary? Just divide by 2. That is 2 1 again 2 1 0. That is 1 0 1. After dividing 5 into 2, that is 1 0 1. That means you are going to convert 5 into binary, right? 3-bit number means just it's in binary. Now bits means binary, right? You have to keep each of these digits in binary manner, but that binary number you have to keep in 3 bits, right? So the final answer would be 101011 and base is 2, right? Very easy. But if you follow this proper method, it will consume much time. But you can take the same answer by that way as well. Is that clear?
Yes,
දැන්
teacher.
මෙතන පොඩි මේ කියන්නේ මතක තියාගන්න මෙන්න මේක, right? How to express 0 to 9 numbers in binary manner. I will teach you a shortcut because no need to divide the given number by each of the time in order to take the binary value. There's an easy method, right? That easy method is say like this. අපි හිතමු මෙහෙම කියලා, හරිද? 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. The values you know. 2 to the power 0 is how much? 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 2, sorry, yeah, 2 to the power 2 is 4. හරිද? Now if I want to convert 6, okay, 6 into binary, how to make 6 out of this 4, 2 and 1? How to make 6? Now I am going to take the binary value of 6, right? So I can take that binary value by dividing 2, but it's a long way now. So you can keep in mind this way. Now just you can remember 1, 2, 4, the relevant place values of each of the places you can remember now. So how to make 6? By just combining each of these numbers. 4 and 2 is equal to 6 now.
Yes,
So
teacher.
for the 4th place, just put 1. 2's place, just put 1. And for this one, put a 0. That is 110, right? Again, say 7. You need to take the binary value of 7. Now, how to make 7 out of this given sequence? 4 plus 2 plus 1 නේද? 4යි 2යි 6යි 1යි 7යි එහෙමනේ ගන්නෙ. Sure. Right? 4, 2, 1. නේද 7 වෙන්නේ? 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. That means you have to put 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So the relevant binary value of 7 is 111. Same way, if you want some more values, you can have like this. What is happening there? හරි මම මේක චුට්ටක් ඉරේස් කරනවා මම තව ප්ලේස් එකක් ගන්නවා. Right? 0, 1, 2, 3, right? 2 to the power 0 is 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 2 to the power 3 is 8. Now I want to take the binary value of 10. How to take the binary value of 10? Now I have to make 10 by this combination. 8 plus 2 is 10 now. So for 8 place, I have to put 1. 4, 0, 2, 1, 1, 0. So the relevant value is 1, 0, 1, 0. Say I want 13. How to do that one? Kiyan bala? How to add, how to make 13 out of this 4 combination?
8 plus 2 plus, 8
Yes.
plus 4 plus 1, teacher.
Yes, 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. 8, 4, 1. ඒ කියන්නේ A places වලට 1 දානවා. 1 1 0 1 එහෙම. හරිද? ඊළඟට 15. How to make 15? 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 නේ. ඔක්කොම වනනේ. 1 1 1 1. But the maximum number you can make is 15 out of 4. If you need more values, just add another place. That is 16 now. And you can go on. හරිද? ඕනම එකක් මෙහෙම හදන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ විදිහට දැන් අර එක මතක තියෙනකොට easily you can take එක හදනකොට දන්නවා දැන් ඒකට ඔයගොල්ලන් 101 කියන්නේ 5. When you are doing the calculations, you can easily take them. හරිද? ඒ වගේ දැන් මට කියන්න මට ඕනේ convert කරන්න I want 472 that is in octal into binary. So what is the method? Just expand the number. හරි? Can you tell me each of these numbers in 3-bit binary manner?
0 1 0
Yes, 0 1 0. 7
1 1 1
0 1 1 1 1 1.
1 1 1. 4
0 1 1 0 0
oh 1 0 0. Right? Finally, you have to keep all of these 9 bits together as the answer. Very easy, right? So if you have some fraction parts as well, you can do the same step. Let's move on to cute. Page number 15, octal to decimal. Let's do this one. 2 3 4 5, it's in octal. Try to convert it into is this octal to decimal? Octal to binary නේ අපි පටන් ගත්තේ නේද? ඔව් අපි එතන තියලා ඊළඟට ඒක පස්සේ කරමු. Just come on to the 16, the page number 16, octal to binary. We'll do it first and then we'll move on to the next one. 2 3 4 5. Right? Write each of these digits as 3-bit binary numbers. 1 1. So I'll write down the table here. 8, this is 4, this is 2, this is 1. So you can just add and paste the value here.
Teacher, should we see the answer?
Yeah.
Teacher, it's
In the
0 1 0
0 1 0,
0 1 1
0 1 1,
1 0 0
1 0 0,
1 0 1.
1 0 1. Yeah, correct. So the first 0 you can omit. So the final answer you can take 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. Although you put the first 0 or not, that's okay. No need to put it. දැන් මට වැරදි නෑ දාන්න ඕනි නෑ. ඊළඟ එක 1 5 6 7.
Teacher 1 1 0 triple 1 0 triple 1 to the base 2.
Right. Yes, 1 1 1 hari, 0 hari, 1 0 1 hari. Oh, yes. This is 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1. Next.
1
Wait, 1 1.
1 0 0
Hmm.
1 0 1
Hmm.
1 1 0 0 1 0.
ගොඩක් ලොකු නම්බර් එකනේ. 5 6 2. Yes, 0 1 0 is correct. Hari, 5 4 3. Hari, correct. Then next one. 1 2 3.6.
1 0
Hmm.
1 double 0
Hmm.
double 1
Hmm.
point
1
1 1 0.
1 1 0.
Yes. ඒක අපි හරි. අපි චුට්ටක් එක හදලා පෙන්නමු. මෙතන nothing to worry regarding the fractions. Same procedure, only difference is you have put a point here, right? So just 6, how to convert it into 3-bit binary 110. Yes, this one is 011. This one is 0. बिंदु देखिए මෙතන එකයි. එතකොට 10 100 11. Yeah, correct. Correct. Next one.
1 double 0
Mm.
triple 1
Mm.
double 0
Mm.
point
Mm.
0 1 0
Mm.
1 0 1 to the base 2.
So yes, the base is important. I have missed the base. 2 5. 5 is 101, correct. 2 is 010, correct. Correct. 3 is correct. 2 is correct. Hari, correct.
Okay, double 1
Last double 1
1 0 0
100
point 0 0 1
001.
triple 1
Hmm.
1 0 1 to the power 2
Yes.
to the base 2.
101, correct. 11, correct. 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 Yes, correct. Then අනිත් එකත් කළාම අපි නවත්තමු. The last one of this group, how to convert hexadecimal, sorry, octal into binary, correct? Octal binary, yes, octal binary කරා ඊළඟට octal to decimal. Octal to decimal. Octal to decimal, it's like this. The corresponding octal number, right? Expand it and just put the place values of 8. Right? Easy. Just write down the place values of 8 because it's in octal now. Just add them up. 8 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 5 plus 8 to the power 1 is 8. 8 into 4 plus 8 to the power 2 is 64 into 3 plus 8 to the power 3 is 512 into 2. That is 1024 plus 192 plus 24 plus 5. That is 1245 in decimal, right? So if you have decimal values like this මොකද කරන්නේ? 2, 3, 4.1. Again, the negative place values you have to take, right? So, 8 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 4 plus 8 to the power 1 is 8. 8 into 3. And here, 8 to the power minus 1, how to take that one? 1 over 8. Yes. That means you are going to divide 1 by 8. That is
0.125.
125. 0.125 into 1. This you have to add them. Here 24 plus 4 plus 0.2125. That is 28.125. And this is the method. So you can do all of this, the rest of the calculations as homeworks. Right? Is that okay? Understood this one?
Yes, teacher.
Right. So just fill all the other the missed parts. Just fill it as your homeworks in the tutorial. And next conversion I have to do is octal to hexadecimal. Right? Of this particular group, I have left one octal to hexadecimal thing. And then next day we will continue from the third group onwards. Okay, right. Okay then. If you
Thank you,
have any
teacher.
questions, all right, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, teacher. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Welcome.